Hello, everybody. This is Harvey with your charting made simple. Simply charts, technically speaking. Whatever the hell you want to call this segment, I don't know. Okay, just want to talk about what we talked about yesterday. Now, everybody, you know that you see a bunch of lines here. This is just for show. I don't care about volume. Oh, a little bit. Stochastics, Bollinger Bands. You could take a stochastic and stochastic it up your ass for all I care. All I care about is price and price alone. Why do I like the riverbed? Let me just show you. Here's a stock that got its ass kicked over the last couple of months, and then it went all the way down to 15, oy vey. But then on the comeback trail, I'm not telling you I bought it back here. I'm not that great. But for a day trade, possibly a swing trade, all we've been looking for was it to recapture these highs right here, 21.29. Let me bring you back to a 90-day chart. So yesterday we suggested that you buy it, and we closed it about 21.19. We held it overnight. We got our gap, and here we are. Let me show you where we think the stock is going to go. Now that we've entered this area right here, we think the stock has a little smooth sailing up to 22.75. So we're staying with this one, and we're very happy about it. Now, for the winner that most of us messed up on, it's, hang on a second, it's not coming up. Hang on, my friends, I will get it for you in a second. Hello? Where are you? Here you go. SINA. Okay. Now look, my friends. All we wanted this stock to do the other day was break $60. Well, first we were just looking for a break of 58.20. Here we had it, and we had our first test of 60 and failed. The next day, another test of 60 and failure. So what happened was yesterday we got our breakthrough, and we bought the stock, waiting for it to go higher. But so now when it broke 60, we exited the trade right here. We were looking for the stock to go to 61.41 on our first stop, right there. Once it broke 61.41, our call was to get to 65.79. Almost very close, 64.5 today. We still like this name to get into this range. Of course, we can't trust a lot of things out of China, especially their stocks. But right now, even in the face of Baidu, Sina, and Sohu continue to show unusual strength. Now, I want to show you a handful of stocks that I watch. Stocks that all have very similar charts. Okay, the first one is APKT. Every stock that you're going to see right now is what I like to call dead cats. Dead cats being resurrected. A lot of these names have been coming back. I'm not too sure if they're turnaround companies, nor do I care. I don't care about these companies whatsoever. But when I see a chart that looks like this, oh, I get interested. Here you see a stock that was $50. Down, oh, where's it going to go? Finally bottomed out right here, and that's when we start getting interested. So again, we only became interested looking at the stock when it broke 1778. 1788. Why? Look at the high of the day right here at 1788. Now I'm going to shrink this chart up to make it more apparent. What happened? We broke 1788 right here. Next thing you know, we've got a winner. And today, we took a little bit off the table at 20. That was our call for this thing to get from about 1788 up to $20. And if you're still holding it, we believe the stock could get right here to 2053. So selling it at $20, my friends, is not such a bad idea. Okay. One more before I go. And I'm just going to run through a bunch of them. You'll notice that all these charts are very similar. MAKO, right here. US Steel, right here. Very similar. Finally caught a bottom. Of course, WLT, we've been hounding you to get involved in the low 30s. Finally had a little breakthrough. Let me tell you a few more. There's a CSTR. Very similar chart. See how they break down and then they go sideways and then they try to go higher. Sorry, not CSTR, but that is a good example. There's another one called CTRP. We love it. And, of course, LOGM. I just wanted to give you a couple of my ones that I like very much. Okay, thank you.